Hi everyone, my name is John Lungsod from grade 9 Magnesium, and this is Technology and Livelihood Education, ICT, Information and Communication Technology, grade 9. Our topic for today is all about the different types of technical and engineering specifications. We have 8 examples here. First, we have the VGA or the Video Graphics Array. Second, we have the DVI or the Digital Visual Interface. Third, we have the IDE or the Integrated Drive Electronics. Fourth, we have the HDMI or the High Definition Multimedia Interface. Fifth, we have the USB or the Universal Serial Bus. Sixth, we have the Serial Advanced Technology Attachment or the SATA. Seventh, we have the Firewire, and the last is the Ethernet. Let's proceed to the first sample. VGA or the Video Graphics Array. Created way back in the 1980s, the VGA connection cable was the standard cable used to connect a computer to a monitor. More recently, it has faded out of popularity due to the gradual shift towards digital connection over analog. Still, if you look at any video card or display apparatus, there is a good chance you'll see a VGA port. This is the VGA. Let's go to the second sample. Second one is the DVI or the Digital Visual Interface. The Digital Visual Interface connection became the successor to VGA as technology moved away from analog towards digital. Digital displays like LCD proved to be higher quality, which soon became the market standard of the home pictures. This is the picture of DVI or the Digital Visual Interface. Third, we have the IDE or the Integrated Drive Electronics. IDE cables were used to connect storage devices to a motherboard. If you've ever opened up an old hard drive, then you likely know what an IDE connector looks like. It's the wide cable that looks like a ribbon with more than 2 plugs. This is the picture of IDE or the Integrated Drive Electronics. Next, we have the fourth example, the HDMI or the High Definition Multimedia Interface. In the past decade, high definition broadcast became the new standard of what it means to be high quality. Unlike VGA and DVI, HDMI sends both video and audio signals together. The signals are only for digital. Those HDMI is only for the newer devices. This is the picture of HDMI. The fifth one is the USB or the Universal Serial Bus. The USB connection is quite possibly the most pervasive connection type in today's world. Nearly every form of computer peripherals devices such as keyboards, mice, headsets, flash drives, wireless adapters, and etc. has a USB, and it can be connected to your computer through a USB port. Sixth, we have the serial advanced technology attachment, or the SATA. Newer hard drives will likely use SATA ports over IDE ports. SATA was designed to succeed IDE and has compared to IDE. SATA provides higher data. This is the serial advanced technology attachment, or the SATA. The sixth example, the next is Firewire. The purpose of Firewire is similar to that of USB high-speed data transfer for computer peripherals. High bandwidth devices like printers and scanners will benefit from Firewire. For whatever reason, Firewire is not as widespread as USB or Universal Serial Bus. Firewire's cable come into two forms. First, the 1394A, which has a transfer speed of up to 400 Mbps. The second is the 1394B, which has transfer speed of up to 800 Mbps. Next, the Ethernet. Before of that, this is the picture of Firewire. Let's proceed to the Ethernet. Ethernet cables are used to set up local area networks. In most cases, they're used to connect routers to modems and computers. This is the pictures of Ethernet. Other informations, VGA or video graphics array. Video graphics array, older technology developed in 1987. It has a 15 pins divided by into 3 rows. Only carries analog data. The end of it typically have a blue color. It was used on CRT monitors, can still be found on new equipment. Second, DVI, Digital Visual Interface, succeed the VGA port developed in 1999, designed to provide uncompressed high-quality video to LCD monitors, and typically the end of it is white. We have 3 examples or 3 types of DVI cables. We have the DVI-A, or the DVI analog, used to send analog signals only. It has single link only. The DVI-D, or the DVI digitals, used to send digital signal only. It has dual and signal length. The third is the DVI or DVI-I, or the DVI integrated, used to send both analog and digital signals. Dual length DVI has a max resolution of 2560 times 1600, and it has 6 extra pins. And single DVI has a max resolution of 1920 times 1200. Next is the HDMI. It has a broad range of use in electronic products such as TVs, computers, and etc. Developed in 2002, designed for transmitting uncompressed video and audio through a single cable. In 2009, HDMI 1.4 was released. Added network communication, send and receive data at 100 Mbps Ethernet. In 2017, HDMI 2.1 was released, higher resolution and refresh rates, 4K video at 120 Hz and 8K video at 60 Hz, and it can support max resolution of 10K video for commercial audio and visual system and specialty usage. That's all. Thank you.